Hello fellow travelers, it's Willie. If you've ever found yourself dreading the long flight ahead, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or heading out on your very first adventure, getting quality sleep on a plane is one of the biggest challenges we all face. We all dream of arriving at our destination refreshed, ready to hit the ground running. But the reality? More often than not, we step off the plane feeling groggy, stiff, and completely wiped out. Jet lag, dehydration, and a restless night in the air can leave us feeling like we need a vacation from our vacation. Sleeping on a plane is tough. Our bodies simply aren't built for upright rest. Those cramped seats, limited legroom, and the constant hum of the engines make it nearly impossible to get comfortable. Add in the dry, recycled air that leaves your skin and throat parched, and it's no wonder we struggle to drift off. And let's not forget the endless distractions, overhead lights flickering on and off, babies crying, and neighbors who just can't resist striking up a conversation when you're trying to catch some shut-eye. Even the smallest noises or movements can jolt you awake, just as you're about to fall asleep. All these factors combine to make deep, restorative sleep a real challenge. It's easy to feel frustrated as you toss and turn, watching the hours tick by and wishing you could just get comfortable for a few minutes of real rest. But here's the good news, mastering in-flight sleep is absolutely worth the effort. With a little preparation and the right strategies, you can train your body to rest better in the air, even if you're not in first class. Arriving well-rested means you can jump right into your adventure, adjust to new time zones faster, and make the most of every moment. You'll have more energy to explore, more patience for the unexpected, and a brighter outlook for the journey ahead. Good sleep is truly a game changer for your trip. It can turn a stressful travel day into a smooth, enjoyable experience, and help you create memories that last a lifetime. So let's figure out how to make it happen. In the next chapter, I'll share my favorite tips and tricks for getting the best sleep possible on your next flight. The secret to a restful flight starts long before you even step foot in the airport. It's all about setting yourself up for success, both physically and mentally, so you can drift off with ease once you're in the air. Think of your pre-flight routine as the foundation for a peaceful journey, not just a checklist to rush through. Start by gradually adjusting your sleep schedule a few days ahead of your trip. If you're flying east, try going to bed and waking up a bit earlier each day. For westbound flights, shift your bedtime later. This gentle transition helps your body clock adapt, making it easier to fall asleep on the plane and adjust to your destination's time zone. Resist the urge to tire yourself out with intense exercise or last-minute errands. Instead, aim for a normal, relaxed day filled with light activity, maybe some gentle stretching or a calming walk. This keeps your body in balance and prevents you from feeling wired or overtired when it's time to board. Fuel your body with a light, balanced meal before you leave. Choose foods that are easy to digest, like lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid heavy, greasy, or sugary foods that can leave you feeling sluggish or uncomfortable during your flight. Skip caffeine for at least 6 hours before your flight. While that afternoon coffee might sound tempting, it can linger in your system and make it much harder to relax or fall asleep later. Opt for calming herbal teas or water instead. Take the time to pack and organize everything you'll need in advance. Make a checklist of essentials: passport, tickets, chargers, headphones, and any comfort items for the flight. Packing ahead of time means you can avoid last-minute stress and start your journey feeling calm and in control. Double-check that your travel documents are in order and your entertainment is loaded up. Download movies, playlists, or podcasts to keep yourself occupied and relaxed during the flight. Having everything ready means you can settle in quickly once you board. Take a few moments to calm your mind before you leave. Try some deep breathing, meditation, or simply sit quietly and visualize a smooth, restful journey. A calm mind sets the stage for a restful body, making it easier to unwind once you're in your seat. The smoother your pre-flight routine, the easier it'll be to relax on board. Arrive at the airport with plenty of time, move through check-in and security at your own pace, and give yourself a moment to settle before boarding. Remember, preparation is your best friend when it comes to in-flight sleep. The more you plan ahead, the less you'll have to worry about once you're in the air. With everything in place, you're ready to board with confidence and ease. Let's get ready for takeoff and for the restful sleep that awaits you above the clouds. Seat selection is your first big sleep decision. Window seats are best for sleep. Lean against the wall and avoid being disturbed. Avoid seats near galleys and restrooms to minimize noise and light. The front or over the wings is usually quieter and smoother. Exit rows offer extra leg room, but check if the seat reclines. Use resources like Seat Guru to research your specific flight and find the best spot. A few minutes of planning can save you hours of discomfort. Your seat is your sanctuary. Choose wisely. The right seat sets the foundation for better rest. Make your choice count. Your carry-on is your comfort kit. Bring a supportive neck pillow, memory foam or inflatable, whatever suits you. Pack an eye mask and noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block out light and sound. Bring a cozy scarf or travel blanket and warm socks for chilly cabins. Include travel-sized lotion, lip balm, and a toothbrush for hydration and freshness. These small comforts make a big difference in how you feel. The right gear helps you create a peaceful bubble at 30,000 feet. Don't underestimate the power of a well-packed bag. Comfort starts with what you bring on board. Once you're in your seat, it's time to settle in. Organize your essentials within easy reach. Book, headphones, water, recline your seat when allowed, or use the window for support. Try different positions, lean against the wall, or rest forward on your tray table. Dress in loose, breathable layers for temperature control. Buckle your seatbelt over your blanket so flight attendants won't wake you. Small adjustments can prevent big disruptions. The goal: minimize movement and maximize comfort. Settle in, relax, and prepare for rest. Your in-flight cocoon is ready. Sweet dreams await. Planes are full of sensory distractions, light and noise everywhere. Use your eye mask to block out all light, even from neighbors or devices. Noise-canceling headphones or earplugs are essential for muting engines and chatter. Layer in calming audio, white noise, soothing music, or a sleep meditation. Download your audio before the flight. Avoid blue light from screens before sleep. Use night mode or switch to a book. Reducing sensory input tells your brain it's time to rest. Create your own peaceful bubble, no matter what's happening around you. The right tools make all the difference. Block out the world and drift off. What you eat and drink matters for in-flight sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. They disrupt sleep and dehydrate you. Drink plenty of water to combat the dry cabin air. Bring a refillable water bottle and sip regularly. Choose light, simple snacks, nuts, bananas or whole grain crackers. Skip heavy greasy meals that cause discomfort. Eat in sync with your destination's time zone to help your body adjust. After eating, do a mini bedtime routine. Brush your teeth, wash your face. Avoid snacking right before sleep. Smart choices keep you comfortable and ready to rest. Fuel your body for better sleep in the sky. Good sleep strategies don't end when your plane touches down. They're just as important after you land. The way you handle the first hours and days in a new time zone can make a huge difference in how quickly you recover from jet lag and start enjoying your trip. As you begin your descent, take a few moments to stretch your arms and legs, roll your shoulders, and gently move your neck. Open your window shade to let in natural light, which helps signal to your body that it's time to wake up and adjust to the new day. Once you're on the ground, try to sync with the local time as soon as possible. Resist the urge to nap, even if you feel tired. Instead, get outside, walk around, and soak up as much sunlight as you can. Natural light is one of the most powerful tools for resetting your internal clock. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to help your body recover from the dry air of the plane. Eat meals according to the local schedule, even if you're not very hungry at first. This helps your body adjust to the new routine and signals that it's time to reset. Light activity, like a brisk walk or gentle jog, combined with exposure to daylight, can help shake off grogginess and boost your energy. Moving your body helps you feel more alert and speeds up your adjustment to the new time zone. Try to avoid heavy, rich foods and limit caffeine, especially in the afternoon and evening. Heavy meals and too much coffee can disrupt your sleep later and make it harder for your body to adapt. Even if you're exhausted, do your best to stay awake until a normal local bedtime. This can be tough, but it's one of the most effective ways to reset your sleep schedule and minimize jet lag. When it's finally time for bed, make your room as dark and quiet as possible. Use blackout curtains, turn off all lights, and silence your devices to create a restful environment for your first night's sleep. If you wake up in the middle of the night, don't stress. Stay calm. Keep the lights off, and avoid looking at your phone or other screens. Your body will gradually adjust, and you'll fall back asleep more easily. Remember, a little discipline on your first day pays off for the rest of your trip. Journaling or reflecting on your day can help you wind down and set a positive tone for your adventure. By following these simple steps, you'll adjust quickly, feel your best, and be ready to enjoy every moment of your journey. Mastering in-flight sleep is about small, smart choices. You don't need perfect sleep, just enough to arrive energized and ready for adventure. Every bit of rest helps you enjoy your trip more. Practice and refine your routine with each journey. Find what works for you. Neck pillow, podcast, or snack. Preparation and comfort are your best allies. In-flight sleep is achievable for everyone. Start your vacation the moment you land, full of energy. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.willieguru.com. Oh, yes, check out the funny short for this video and all my other videos. Here's to sweet dreams at 30,000 feet and amazing travels ahead. Happy travels.